Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need 3 different colored crayons. Your first color, we are going to color the pictures or words that have a S sound in them, one color. We are going to color words or pictures with a H sound in them, a different color. And we're going to color words or pictures with a sh sound in them, a different color as well. You can see that our first word is fish. 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 So I am going to color fish green because it has a sh sound in it. Please color fish the color you chose for SH. SH says shh. Our next picture is a picture of a strawberry. Strawberry. I hear a S in strawberry, so I'm going to color it red because I chose red for the S sound. Our next picture is a picture of a shoe. Shh. I'm going to color it green because I hear the sh sound. My next picture is my next word is hat. H-at, hat. And I'm going to color hat blue because I hear the H sound in hat. My next picture is a picture of a sheep. Sheep. I'm going to color my sheep green because that is the color I chose for SH. Shh. Our next word is spin. S-p-i-n. Spin. I'm going to color spin red because it has the S sound in it. Our next picture is a picture of a bush. B-u-sh. Bush. I'm going to color the bush green because it has the sh sound in it. Our next picture is of a boy and his shadow. Shadow. I'm going to color it green because shadow has sh in it. Our next word is sun. S-a-n. Sun. And I'm going to color sun red because I hear the S sound in it. My next picture is of a baseball being hit with the bat. Hit. It. Hit. And I'm going to color it blue because I hear in hit. Our next picture is of a shark. Shark. I'm going to color shark green because I hear the sh sound in shark. My next picture is of a seal. Seal. I'm going to color seal red because I hear the S sound in seal. Our next word is hen. H-e-n. Hen. And I'm going to color hen blue because it has H in hen. My next picture is of someone who is washing their hands. Wash. I'm going to color wash green because it has sh in wash. Our next picture is of a submarine. Submarine has a S, so I'm going to color it red. S for sub. Our next word is crash. K-r-a-sh. Crash. I'm going to color crash green because it has sh. Shh. My next word is shovel. Shovel. I'm going to color shovel green because it has sh. My next picture is of a hedgehog. Hedgehog. I'm going to color it blue because hedgehog has in it. My next word is sob. S-a-b. Sob. I'm going to color sob red because of the S sound. My next picture is of a dish. D-I-sh. Dish. I'm going to color it green because of the S-H. Shh. My next picture is of a hen. H-E-N. Hen. I'm going to color it blue because hen starts with H. My next word is trash. T-R-A-sh. Trash. I'm going to color trash green because of the sh at the end. My next word is splat. Splat. I'm going to color the picture red because of splat has an S. My next word is brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. I'm going to color brush green because it has S-H. Shh. Our next picture is of sleep. Sleep. I'm going to color sleep red because of the S sound. My next picture is of a squid. 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 I'm going to color my squid red because of the S sound at the beginning. My next picture is of a hut. H-U-T. Hut. I'm going to color my hut blue because of the H. Next word is shake. Shake. What color would you color shake? That's right, green because of the sh sound. Next we have a leash. Leash. I'm going to color the leash green because I hear S-H. Shh. Then we have a heart. Heart. That's blue because of H saying Our next word is hug. H-U-G. Hug. Hug is also going to be blue because of Our next word is wish. W-I-sh. Wish. I'm going to color wish green because of our SH. Our next picture is of a radish. Radish. Color my radish green because of that SH. Next picture is of a salt shaker. Shaker. SH is green. Our next one is ship. 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 SH. Shh. Then I have a seashell, seashell. That kind of has both. It has a S in sea and sh in shell, seashell. So I'm going to color half of it red for sea and half of it green for shell. It has both. Our last word is hippo. Hi, h, I, p, o, hippo. And we're going to color that blue because of the h at the beginning. Way to go. Flip your paper over. All right, my friends, you'll need your highlighter for this. We are going to color the sh words. Our first word is them. Do you hear sh? Nope. Our next word is shirt. Do you hear sh? Yes, I do. Our next word is shot. Do you hear sh? Yes, I do. Then we have shoot. Do you hear sh? Yes, we do. Next line, we have shut. Do you hear sh? Yes, we do. Then we have ship. Do you hear sh? Yes, we do. Then we have south. Do you hear sh? No, we don't. Our next word is shine. Do you hear sh? Yes, we do. Then we have shop. Do you hear sh? Yes, we do. Then we have such. Such. Do you hear sh? No, we don't. Then we have show. Do you hear sh? Yes, we do. Then we have bath. Do you hear sh? No, we don't. Now you will please pause the video and get a paper clip to do spin, read, and write. Unpause when you've done all 8 words. Down at the bottom we have our word bank. Shine is our first word. I see 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a short letter, tall letter, and the rest are short letters. I see that shine is going to go right here. Sh, I, n, shine. My next word is ship. I see that it has 4 letters. A short letter, a tall letter, short letter, basement letter. Ooh, ship is going to fit right here. Sh, I, p, ship. Cross it off when we're done. Then we have shot, 4 letters. Short, tall, short, tall. Right here. Sh, aw, t, shot. Cross it off when you're done. Then we have shut. 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. Short, tall, short, tall. Sh, t, shut. Our last word is shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Short, tall, short, short, tall. Sh, oot, shoot. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.